Good morning, dear students. All are fine. Okay. Have you done your homework? Good. Okay. Today we are going to discuss about our new chapter. That is our discussing the chapter is comparing quantities. Is it? We already discussed the exercise. Is it? Yes. We are going to discussing our exercise. That is here we in previous classes we discussing when we get a two quantities, we make or convert the quantities in same and we find the solutions or we just compare. Is it? Yes. Is it? That is for example, we do the exercise 8.1, that is 5 to 5 paisa. That is find the ratio 5 to 5 paisa. Sorry, 5 to 50 paisa. That is 5 is rupees in rupee and 50 paisa. 50 paisa. That is 5 and 50 paisa. That is 5 means here 5 rupee. That is here we convert 5 rupee into paisa. That is we get 500 paisa. Is it? Yes. And we can write 500 is to 50. Is it? That is these are in same quantities. That is 5 rupees converted to paisa, then we get 50 and 500 we get 500 and here also 50 paisa. That is we can simplify here, then we get what we get? We get 50 is to 5 and next 10 is to 1. Is it? Yes. When we simplify this, we get 10 is to 1. Is it? Yes. That is for doing like this, we can convert kilograms into grams. Is it? Yes. What we do when we get a kilograms convert to grams, that is we multiply by 1000. Is it? Yes. That is 5 kilo means 5000 grams. Is it? Yes. That is so we following like this, we get the answers in exercise 8.1 we already discussed, and next we are going to discussing about meaning of percentage. Meaning of percentage. We doing the meaning of percentage, that is we are going to discuss the meaning of percentage means there is a, for example, we have a table. This is color, short form of color, and number of types. Rate per 100. Fraction. Written as read us. That is, first is yellow. We get yellow, that is number of tiles is 14, and rate per 100 is what is 14. That is, we can write rate per, that is here 14, so we can write 14 by 100. Is it? Yes. And next, written as read as 14%. Read as 14%. That is, first is color is yellow, that is number of tiles 14, rate per 100 14, and fraction is 14 by 100. We can write it as 14 by 100 and written as 14%. That is, we write like this and read as 14%. And this is green. Number of tiles is 26. That is, rate per 100 is also 26. That is, we get 26 by 100. 26 by 100. That is written as 26%. Read as 26%. And next is red. And number of tiles is 35. That is, we can rate per 100 is 35. That is, this table is in your textbook page number 158. 158. That is, here we can write 35 by 100. 35%. That is, read as 35%. Is it? Yes. And next is blue. We get 25. Rate per 100 is 25. That is, we can write 25 by 100. 25%. And when we add in these, we get 100. Is it? 14, 26, 35, 25, we get sum is 100. And here is also we get 100. Is it? Yes. And when we add in fractions, we get also 100 by 100. And the percentage sum of this is also 100. That is, 14 plus 26 plus 35 plus 25. That is 100. We get 100. Is it? Yes. And next is our try this. That is, first question is first question is we want to complete a table. We want to complete a table. That is, here is height. This is height and number of children. fraction and in percentage. First one is height is 110 centimeter. Number is, what is number of children is given that 22. 22. What is the fraction? Anyone can say? That is 22 by 100. That is 22 percentage. Is it? Yes. And next is 120 centimeter. That is we get, what is the number of 25. Number of children is 25, or number of students is 25. That is we can write it as, the fraction is 25 by 100. Fraction is 25%. 25%. And next is 128 centimeter. 128 centimeter. Number of students is, what is 32. What is the fraction then? That is 32 by 100. That is 32%. What is the next? That is 130 centimeter. 130 centimeter. That is 21. What is the fraction? 21 by 100. 21 by 100. That is 21%. 21%. That is we get, when we adding these, what is the answer? What is the total of this? 2 plus 5 7, 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 1 0. And 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, and 1 is also there. That is 100. Total is 100. When we add these percentage, we also get 100. Is it? Yes. And second question is, what is, a shop has the following number of shoe pairs of different sizes. That is, in a shop there are different types of shoes. Is it? Yes. Already we know that in a shop we want to buy a shoe. That is, we get different types of or different sizes. Is it? Yes. So we get what? We get the answer. Or we want to buy a shoe, we go to the shop and we buy for suitable or suiting shoe. That is, here is some shoes, the size are given, so we want to make it and write the information in tabular form and as done early, and find the percentage of each shoe size available in the shop. That is, we want to make in a tabular form in early, that is this model. Is it? Yes. And can we start? That is, size is size 2 is to 20. That is, in size 2 shoes, number of size 2 shoes are 20, and size 3 30, size 4, 28, and size 5, that is 14, and size 6, 8. Size 2 is 20, size 3 is 30, size 4 is 28, and size 5 is 14, size 6 is 8. Is it? Yes. That is, we want to make in a tabular form. That is, we take 4 columns. First, size, number of shoes, infraction, and percentage. Is it? Yes. That is size, number of shoes, and infraction, and percentage. Is it? Is it? Yes. That is, we get here what is the first size? Size is 2. What is number of shoes? 20. According to question, that is, what is the fraction? That is 20 by 100, and percentage is 20. Is it? Yes. And next is size 3. What is the number of shoes? That is 30. That is 30 by 100, that is 30%. And 4, size 4, that is number of shoes 28, and 28 by 100, that is 28%. And next is what we get? We get size is 5. We get the number of shoes 40, and fraction is 14 by 100, that is 40%. And next is size 6. We get what is number of shoes? Number of shoes is 8, that is 8 by 100, this 8%. Is it? Yes. When we add these 20 plus 30, we get 50, 50 plus 28, 78, 78 plus 14, 92, 92 plus 8, we get 100. Answer is 100. That is, total is 100 we get. That is, this is the answer for or solution for our second try this question, page number 158. And next we are going to discussing about percentage when total is not 100. Here is total is 100. When we add in this number of shoes or in front or early questions, we get the sum is 100. Next we are going to discuss about the sum is not 100. Sum is not 100. That is what we get. That is percentage when total is not 100. That is we get, for example, we have a table. That is already we discussing the necklace, or we know that necklace, or is it in fancy centers we get the rolled gold necklaces. That is, we get a necklace and it have beads in red color and blue color. Red color is 8 beads and blue color is 12. That is, we want to take the fractions. Is it? Yes. That is, first we write in table as color, and next is number of beads, and third fraction, and next denominator 100. Denominator 100 in percentage. Is it clear? Yes. That is, color is first red. That is 8 beads. That is, here blue is 12. That is, total is 20, not 100. So, what is the fraction? We are already studying the fraction and decimal chapter. That is, fraction means, here the fraction means 8 by 20 and 12 by 20. 8 by 20 and 12 by 20. That is, denominator is 100. That is, is it? Yes. That is, we get what is here is, we can simplify 8 and 20. Is it? Yes. That is, or here 1, 0 and here, that is, we get 40 by 100. We must keep the 100 in denominator. Don't simplify the 100 in denominator. We can simplify 100 in numerator, but we didn't simplify the 100 in denominator. That is, we can write 40%. Next, what is the here? What we can write? Into 100 by 20 into 100. That is, and next is what? 60 by 100. We get 60 by 100. When we simplify, then that is the answer. That is the answer. That is the answer. That is 40%, 60%. 40% and 60%. That is, when we take this sum, we get what is 100. We get 100. Also, we get 100. Is it? Yes. And otherwise, we can do it another. That is, we take in percentages. We know the fraction. That is 8 by 20. We can write 8 by 20. Is it? Yes. That is, we get 40 out of 100. 40 out of 100, that is we get 60 by 100. 60. 60 is out of 100, so 60 percentage. 60 percentage. Or otherwise we can, in another way, we discussing two types of, that is where first we multiply in numerator and denominator 100 by 100. Here we multiply only in 100 in numerator and we write it as percentage. And next way is, there is also another way or another method, that is we want to convert the denominator into 100. That is we get, here is the fraction 8 by 20. We want to convert the denominator in 100. So which number is multiplied to denominator? That is 20 into 5 and 8 into 5. That is 40 by 100. 40 by 100. Is it? Yes. There are also here. That is, we get 40 percentage. We get 40 percentage. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. That is 40 percentage. In the case of second, here also we want to convert denominator in 100, so we can write 20 into 5 and we get 12 into 5. When an operation is taking place in denominator, that same operation is also taken in numerator. That is, we get 60 percentage. This is the method. That is first method here. We multiplied 100 in numerator and denominator and we simplify numerator 100. We didn't simplify the denominator 100 and we write. And next is we multiply by a 100 in numerator, single 100. And third is you can arrange or convert the denominator as 100. Is it? Yes. That is, next we are going to discuss about our tridies. Try this, page number 159. First question is, a collection of 10 chips with different colors is given. That is, okay, that is here G, green. G means green color, B means blue, R means red. That is, we want to complete the table. That is, in your textbook there is a table. So which method we already know that the 3 ways, and here is what what we taking, that is first green, that is we take green, that is the table is here. First is color, second is what, number, third is fraction, and fourth is denominator or denominator 100. And there is in percentage. First is red or green. Number, what is the number? Numbers, that is 4. Fraction is 4 by 10. Here we can write 4 by 10 into 100 by 100. 4 by 10 into 100 by 100. 100 by 100. We can simplify the numerator. That is, we get 40 by 100. We get 40%. We get 40%. And next is blue. Blue is numbers is, what is numbers? Number is, what is number? Blue is 3. Is it? We can write 3 by 10. Is it? Yes, that is 3 by 10 into 100 by 100. That is, we can simplify the numerator. That is, we can write 30 by 100. That is 30%. Next is red. Red, that is 3. That is 3 by 10. That is 3 by 10 into 100 by 100. That is, we get same as above, 30 by 100. That is 30%. When we add these 40, 30, 30, we get 100. 40 plus 30 is 70. 70 plus 30, what? 100. Is it? Yes. That is, here also when we add 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. That is 4 plus 3, 3 plus 4 plus 3, we get 7. 7 plus 3, 100. Sorry, 7 plus 3, 10. That is, we get in question. Already they told that what is the total number of chips is 10. That is, here also 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 3, 10. That is, we take the fraction 10 by 4 by 10, 3 by 10, 3 by 10. Is it? Yes. We get 40 by 100, 30 by 100, 30 by 100, 40%, 30%, and also 30%. Is it? Yes. And next is for your homework, that is page number 160. The second try this is for your homework. And next we are studying the converting fractional numbers to percentage. Converting the fractional numbers to percentage. That is, for example, write 1 by 3 as percentage. 1 by 3 as percentage. That is, we take 1 by 3 into 100 by 100. That is 1 by 3 into 100 percentage. That is, we get what is we get? We get 100 by 3 percentage. That is, when we dividing 100 by 3, we get 33 and 1 by 3. 33 and 1 by 3. 33 and 1 by 3 percentage. That is, it is a mixed fraction. 33 and 1 by 3. Is it? Yes. And next is for another example. Here is the fractional numbers. Fractional number is giving direct. For another example, sometimes we want to find the fraction, and next we want to convert the fraction number to percentage. That is, for example, out of 25 children in a class, 15 are girls. What is the percentage of girls? I repeat, out of 25 children in a class, 15 are girls. What is the percentage of girls? That is, first we want to find the fraction. That is, total number of students is 25, number of girls is 15. So we get 15 by 25. Is it? Yes. Is it? Yes. And next we are what we do? We do into 100 percentage. That is, here is, we can simplify. That is 60 percentage. That is 60 percentage. And for another example, that is, convert 5 by 4 to percentage. We want to convert 5 by 4. That is 5 by 4 into 100 percentage. We get what is, that is 125 percentage. We get 125 percentage. That means 125 by 100. Okay. And converting decimal to percentage. Next we are going to discussing about converting the decimal to percentage. That is, here also for example 0.75. I have a decimal number 0.75. That is, we can write it as what is 0.75 means 75 by 100. That is, we taking percentage, or when we convert it into percentage, we get what we get? We get 75 percentage. 75 percentage. And next is what is 0.09. That is 0.09 means 9 by 100. We take or convert it into percentage. We get Next we get what we get 0.2, that is 0.2, that is 2 by 10 into 100%. Is it? Yes, that is 20%. Is it? Yes, that is the answer. And next we are going to discuss about our try this page number 161. Convert the following to percentage. Convert the following to percentage. That is, first one is that is 12 by 16. 12 by 16, first one. That is 12 by 16 means 12 by 16 into 100%. Is it? What we get when we simplify, or you can simplify the fraction. Is it? Yes, that is what we get. Here is 3, here is 4, that is 1, this is 25, that is we get 75%. 3 into 25 we get 75%. And next is 3.5. 3.5. What is the answer? 3.5. That is 3.5 means 3.5 by, sorry, here is not 35 by 10 into 100%. That is we get 350%. 350%. And next is 49 by 50. We can write 49 by 50 into 100%, and we get, that is 49 into 2. What is the answer? 98. 98%. And second, next question is 2 by 2. D part question, 2 by 2. 2 by 2. 2 by 2 means, what is 2 by 2 into 100%? Is it? Yes. That is we get, what is we get? We get, that is 200% by 2. That is 100%. That is 100%. That is the answer. And E part is for your homework, and second question is also for your homework. Page number is 161. Try this. Okay. Today I conclude my class. See you in next class. Bye.